Okay, so we're going to be using a core standard from kindergarten. So if I go to uin.org/core, I can find my standard and click on kindergarten. And I'm going to go down to this domain measurement and data. Number 3. And it says classify objects into given categories, count the number of objects in each category, and sort the categories by count. So what we're going to focus on for this math manipulative is this first part where it says classify objects into given categories. So if I go over to my National Library of Virtual Manipulatives, I'm going to click on Pre-K through 2 Geometry and go to Attribute Blocks. And so attribute blocks allows you to sort numbers according to what they give you. So for example, we see that we have a red rectangle, a red circle, into red triangles, and so we just need to sort the rest of the red shapes into the middle of the circle. And it just allows us to look at different classifications of different shapes and be able to figure that out. So how I would use this in the classroom is when we're learning about shapes, I would actually put this on a projector in front of the students, and as a class I would work together with them and have them try to figure out what needs to go into the middle of the circle. In this case, I would call on kids, what do you think? And they could come up to the screen and point, and maybe I would even let them use the computer and drag the shape into the middle of the circle. Another way you could use this is you could also do things individually with students. If you're working on one thing with a student, you can help them in their independent practice by using this specific manipulatives to classify color, shape, and size according to what is needed. And as you go through the problems, you just finish one and click New Problem, and you see this one is squares. And so each problem is different, and it gives them a chance to be able to use it and to for the whole class to have access to this, especially if you put it up on a projector, so that they can see what's going on, see how it's done, and figure it out for themselves.